Now, what's your role in creating a positive work environment? Well, our standards of excellence clearly outline some of the things that we should be doing regularly. Like 1, exemplifying the characteristics of a service professional responsible for creating exceptional customer experiences every day. 2, providing a warm and friendly greeting to everyone, extending positive eye contact to show respect, and addressing everyone by their preferred name. 3, using polite, professional language when speaking to one another and demonstrating respect for one another. And finally, 4, fostering a positive work environment through constant awareness of each other's needs, which includes our customers as well as fellow team members. So in closing, I'd like you to consider, what are you empowered to do to create a more positive work environment? And never forget that we all play an important role when it comes to creating that positive work environment.